哎，没事，你弄吧。
哪个是我的？
这右边这个。
确定吗？看着
这是开始了，但是没事，你先弄，对划一下。凯莉的手机当前网络不佳，
快递3公里以下，这啥意思？
有没有截给你发过去？
直接转。哎，多选。
你好像那天说你要订。
你电脑上是不是没有这个功能？
不是，电脑上没有这显示记录。
哦，显示不出来。Hi, this is Annie from Loyang Ifan Precision Barrier Manufacturing Company. It will last about 1 hour. It mainly to introduce our cross-roller bearings, YRTS rotary table bearings, harmonic reducer bearings, and customized bearings. And we also will introduce our company to you. 网络。
有买家进入直播间啦！
Hi, welcome to our live show. Loyang Ifan Precision Barrier Manufacturing Company. What can I do for you? Okay, now I will introduce our company first to you. Loyang Ifan Precision Barrier Manufacturing Company is established in 2004, mainly to manufacture cross-roller harmonic reducer bearings and customized bearings. 对，你这个网一直显示不佳，然后一直让什么？是啊，我不知道你这个网啊，这对，你这个网光用显示了好几回了。VPN 吗？关了。
关闭是吧？
对，这是造星流量券，咱可不敢用。
好，你先说啥？
我先说啥？我有点难忘，还是网络不佳呀。Okay, we have established these bearings for 18 years, and we have ISO SGS.
买家载声想看直播，打个招呼吧。
Hi, welcome to our live show. We have manufactured these bearings for 18 years. We have ISO SGS certification and professionally replace IKO, THK, as INA, SKF, and other foreign brands. Our bearings are exported to more than 50 countries, such as Canada, Korea, Russia, and other countries, and enjoy a high reputation at home and abroad. Okay, now I think it's enough to introduce our company. I will introduce our hi, welcome to our live show. Hi, welcome. Feel free to click the. Okay, hi, Sam. Hi, welcome to our live show. Okay, now, I will introduce our RU cross-roller bearing first. Okay, now can you see these three bearings? These three bearings. The upper one is RU 42. The middle one is RU 66, and the last one, the next one is the bigger one is RU 85. Hi, welcome to our live show. What can I do for you? This is Annie from Luoyang Yifan Precision Biomanufacturing Company. Okay, what can I do for you? Okay, now I just talk about our RU series cross-roller bearings. This one is RU 42. This one, the middle one is RU 66, and the next one is RU 85. Our RU series cross-roller bearings are bearings is very good. You can see there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring. Okay, there are sealing rings. You can see this one sealing rings. And about the RU series cross-roller bearings, the inner ring and the outer ring are both integral. Okay, because it has mounting holes both in there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, so it is easier for installation and cost saving for maintenance. And the price is much lower than this one, the YRT rotary table bearings. Okay, now this one is RB cross roller bearings. This is RB 2508. This is the size. RB cross roller bearings is a standard model of cross roller bearings. The outer ring is divided into two parts at the axial direction, and the inner that require the rotating accuracy of the inner ring. About the RA series cross-roller bearings, the outer ring is divided into two parts in the axial direction, and the inner ring is integral, just like the structure of RB type, but the application is not the same. About the RA series cross-roller bearings, it is most suitable for parts with lightweight and small space requirements. About cross-roller bearings, we usually use this small one, use this cylindrical rollers, but we also can provide ball rollers to you. Okay, now let me introduce our YRT rotary table bearings. About the inner one, the one here is YRT 100, and this one is YRT 200. So you can see the size is apparently not the same. About the YRT 100 or 200, the structure is the same. They also has one axial cover one axial radial inner ring, one axial radial outer ring, and 2 round cylindrical rollers in the axial direction and are arranged in 2 brass or nylon
买
cages.
家载声想看直播，
In our YRT1, in our YRT100, in our YRT100 rotary table bearings, you can see these blue parts. It is nylon cages. And about our YT200 rotary table bearings, you can see this yellow part. It uses nylon cage. It uses brass cages. Yes, brass cages. So, about your working condition, you can choose nylon, or you can choose nylon or brass cages. And the features are the same. About bearing can replace 2 or more ordinary bearing. ordinary 你这个我不知道里边的那是啥，不是你这个手机。
搞笑，未来给他们那个他那个生产表嘛，然后这是我有个客户跟入免了，是可死。
然后你这个手机是看美颜的吧？
哪个手机？
你的，
我不知道呀，
因为你看这个自然的光，
他们应该也可以看。
它这个手机
啊，有你看。
它这个手机美颜，就你的看，你看你的自带一种光，
为啥我感觉它的这个这么清晰呢？
你的也可清晰，你看你的就是自带给人打了一层柔和的光，你看到了吗？
我觉得它这个更清晰一点。
它这个吧，因为它那个上面东西太多了，我看不清。About our YT100 or 200 rotary table bearings, the features are the same. One bearing can replace better is much better. Because there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, so it is easier for installation and also for maintenance. Just like the RU bearings, the price is much higher. So if you have a lower budget, you can choose this RU cross roller bearing. Okay. About another feature of YT100, it can bear axial radial load and overturning torque. It has a higher higher rigidity and higher precision and higher load. Okay, now I will introduce the application of YRT rotary table bearings. It is most suitable for 5-axis, 6-axis machine center and machine tools rotary table, grinding machine, hobby machine, machine tools, robotic industry, and medical instrument and lab devices. And it can also use in CNC machine index. Okay, now I think that's enough to introduce our products. Okay, now Hi, welcome to our live show. I will send you a name card, okay? This is from Loyang Ifan Precision Barrel Manufacturing Company. Do you want to know about? Okay, now I will introduce industrial park. Henan facility high load cross roller bearings, rotary table bearings, harmonic reducer bearings, swing bearings, and customized bearings. For 18 years, we have ISO, CGS certification, and professionally replaced IKO, THK, INA, SKF, and other foreign brands. All bearings are graded by CNC machine tools. And all bearings are exported to more than 50 countries, such as Russia, Korea, Canada, the USA, and other countries, and enjoyed a high reputation at home and abroad. Over the past 10 years development, we have a professional team about design drawing, produce, assembly, and and our company value is to let our customers succeed. So you can choose us for sure. Okay, are you still here? But are you still there? Okay, no.
有买家进入直播间啦！
Hi, hello, welcome to our live show. This is Annie. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? 他不是说 What can I do for you? How can I help you? Nothing. Nothing. Oh my god.
好几个人进入直播间啊！
是。
进入我会去了吗？
马上称重。马上称重是称重吧？
马上称重。
是称重的那个称重吧？称重量是不是？啊，我就说嘛，Okay, are you still there? No. I will introduce our company. Okay, I just introduced our company briefly. Okay, now I will introduce our products to you. First, I will introduce our YRT rotary table bearings. About the inner one, this is YRT 100. About the outer one, this is YRT 200. Okay, you can see the size is different. But the structure, the features, and the applications are the same. They both have one axial cover, one axial radial inner ring, one axial radial outer ring, and two raw cylindrical rollers in the axial direction, and arrange in two brass or nylon cages. Okay, now this one, nylon cages. You can see this is a spherical shape. Because our bearing mostly is spherical shape, not the customized bearing. Okay, now so this one is our brass cages, but about the YRT 100 rotary bearing, this blue parts, it is nylon cages, but you can choose these two. And it also has one full installation cylindrical rollers, just like the RU type cross roller bearings. There are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring. about these so many structures, so many features, so many structures of the so many features of the rotary table bearings. It has many advantages, such as wire bearing can replace two or more ordinary bearings. So it is much higher than other bearings. And it can bear axial and radial load and overturning torque. The shunt system is more simple, and the structure is much better. It has higher precision, higher rigidity, and higher load. There are mounting holes in. 那个玉燕给你打电话了。好。哪里来？啊，because there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, so it is easier for installation and cost saving for maintenance. It is most quality rotary table bearing, mostly used in 5-axis, 6-axis machine robot industry and many other industries. Okay, now let me introduce our RU type cross roller bearing. This one is RU42. The outer ring, the inner ring, and the outer ring are both integral, but there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, so it is very easier it is very easier to install and cost saving for maintenance. And about the YRT rotary table bearing, the price is much lower. Okay. Okay. Hello, this is Annie from Luoyang Yifan, the Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. It will last about 1 hour. If you have anything, you can. Hello. Hello, welcome to our live show. This is Annie from Luoyang Yifan, Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. What can I do for you, or what bearing do you want to know about? These two are rotary table bearing. These three are RU, and this one is RA. This one is RB, and we also have other bearings, but we don't exhibit. Okay, now what can I do for you? No. Okay, I will introduce our company to you. Luoyang Yifan, the Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company, is established in 2004. It is manufacture high precision, high rigidity. Emma. High precision. It is manufacture high precision, high preload, high load, high rigidity, cross-roller bearing, YRT rotary table bearing, harmonic reduced bearing, and customized bearing. For 18 years, we have ISO SGS certification and professionally replace IKO, THK, INA, SKF, and other foreign brands. Our bearings are exported to more than 50 countries such as Canada, Korea, Russia. I think it's enough to introduce our company. I will introduce our product to you. But if you have anything, you can contact them. You can contact with me immediately. If you want our catalog products catalog, you can send your email address to us, and our colleague will send it to you. 咋了？
去搬轴承了。
去哪儿？
那有4个人啊，承了。
去楼下搬吗？
就完了，不是还有他嘞？对对对，那个他自己过来这个人。
按照他我呀，Hello, this is Annie from Loyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Today, I will introduce our company and our products to you. So if you have anything, you can contact with me immediately, or you can follow us, and you can leave your email address to us, and we will contact with each other through email address, through your email, through email. Okay. Now I introduce our company to you. Loyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company is established in 2004. It is located in Luoyang Jianxi Industrial Park, Henan Province, China. And mainly manufacture high precision, high rigidity, and high load cross-roller bearings, YRT rotary table bearings, harmonic reduced bearings, slowing bearings, and customized bearings. For 18 years, we have ISO SGS certification, and professionally replace IKO, THK, INA, SKF, and other foreign brands. So if you have anything, you can contact with me immediately. Okay. Now I will introduce our products to you. First, let me introduce our main products. We mainly manufacture RB, RA, CRBH, RU, SX, XU, XSU series cross-roller bearing, and YRT, YRTS, YRTM, YRTC rotary table bearings, and slew bearings like external gear slew bearings, inner gear slewing bearings, and slewing bearings without gear. Okay, now let me introduce our RB cross-roller bearings. First, let me introduce our RB cross-roller bearings. This small one is RB 2508. It is a standard model of cross-roller bearing. The outer ring is divided into two parts, and the inner ring is integral. It is most suitable for parts with that require the inner ring accuracy of most suitable for parts. for parts that require
那这个
rotating
是给大家
accuracy
拿个
on
电话
the inner ring。
这是 RB 吗？我确实有点忘了，哎，时间长了。
是的，是不是 RB？
这是 RB 吗？
是的，
啊，这是 RB。
哪种？这俩是不是都是哪种 KJ？
这里有斜波，可以介绍斜波了。
blue，
今天可以多说一点。
对，
有啥说的了？
这样手套。
还有个小盒，
哎呀，我可以给它放到这里边。
这是那个 cage。
这个是这个
cylindrical
dollar，这个是 KJ 的，这个是，那这个也是 KJ 的。这 blocks
space block
啊 ，space blocks。哦 ，OK，Hi， Femi， sorry。Hi, welcome to our live show. This is Annie, from Luoyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing
我让
Company.
他试上。
It will last about 1 hour. Okay, what can I do for you? Okay, what is this? 这啥呀？这是，你看这个中间和这是不是 SX？
这个东西这不是 X，
但是你内圈 CRBH， 内外整体。
啊，对，这个是 CRBH。
CRBH。
这个是分割面、切割面，你可以给它慢慢的打。
哦，在这个切割了。
这个也是切割的。
这个好油呀，凯莉，你得戴个手套。
必须得戴。
你必须得戴。
不是关键的，其他的现在都在抹油，不知道为什么。
抹油是吗？
嗯。
哦，它这个切割面是这样的呀。
这个你看，这个是斜波的 harmonic bearings。
harmonic bearings。
咱是不是有话说了
？Many，
这个是那个，这是那个 SX 的 ，SX。
SX 特点是啥呀？内外整体呀。
没拿油呢。对呀，油不行，然后手上也没拿油，我让他试。油，
不用，它这个好像只能这一部分给它卸掉。
油不碍事儿，油咱周六去拿就行，就一块儿嘛。他可能拿了吧，我也不知道。关键拿油咱还得自己涂。对呀，就给咱了，咱就得自己涂。都掉了大半天。
那啥？那我现在如果不讲的话，是不是再给它缠上去？
就给它打开，以后就这样放开了。
就这样打开是吧？
对。
哦，我以为是要那这玩意儿。你必须得戴手套，这个超级的油。
就是这个油。
对，油了。
这个会掉，小心。
它这个也是。你在做什么？
这也掉了一个。
啊？它这不就是
放里头，放这头，不是把这个放里头，这个。这个棍子是不是就是这个上面的杠？不是，你看，先放这里吧，少了一个这棍子。
啊？这不是就在这上面？
这我刚搁上的，搁在以前咱这一个。没事。
它这是不是拿胶水给粘住了，固定住了呀？
对，固定住。你别弄。
没有抠不掉，
这上面都掉了。这个也是会掉的
啊。Hello，
今天人挺多的，
看不清。Hello, welcome to our live show. This is Annie.
Stella.
I don't know. Kelly, it's your time.
该我了。
都40了，干啥？
一直40了，你说那么长时间了？
没有，我只是停顿了一会儿，我也不知道说什么。
好，
我翻来覆去都是，翻来。Okay, are you still there, Stella? Hi, Stella. Okay, sorry about to read your name wrong. Okay, what can I do for you? How can I help you? Is there anything I can help you? If not, my colleague Kelly will introduce these to you. Hello, this is Annie from Loyang Yifan Precision Battery Manufacturing Company. Okay, now I will introduce some cages because they are new here. Okay, this is oil. This one you can see this blue one or this brown one. They are both nylon cages, but the color is different. Okay, so you can choose. You can choose the blue one or you can choose the brown one. Okay. Okay, now about the nylon cages, we also have the brass cages, like this brass cages, like this brown one. Okay. Uh, but I think the brass cages maybe the price is much higher than nylon cages because I think it may be nylon cages maybe it is more slight and the brass cages is more lightweight。
主要的事情都处理差不多了。
好，放假了该我去处理了。
是吧？
哎，好像这真不行。
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kelly from Loyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company Limited. Now I will introduce our bearings for you in details. For our main products is included RB series, RA, CRBH.
充电的去哪？你那边的你那左下角有插电的那个插头吗？我很想用那个插盘。因为妈的手机快没电了。好，我看一下这个。
放到我这儿呢。
那现在可以。
有吧？
可以，我可以插这个。因为这个很长。
Our products mainly include RB series, RA, RU, CRBH, RE, XX, XU, XSU series. Those are the crossover bearings and also YRT rotary ball bearings. And also we have.
可以，好像是在充电的。它是在好像是。
And we also have harmonic bearings. Look, this model is one of our harmonic bearings.
26足够。
This model is CSF 25.
对你咋说它的？对。
不知道，我都没看。等今天回去看。知道这个叫啥？这个就是 harmonic bearings.
Harmonic reducer bearings.
对。
It is harmonic 减速机 harmonic gearbox 减速机箱还是什么 gearbox？ 因为我小孩这是会讲那点点 gearbox。
你看看这个。
Yifan EFRT 轻 EFRT 是什么
？Oh, it's so heavy. This is our EFRT 70. This model is our new YRT rotary ball bearings. This model is our new model. This is YRT rotary ball bearings, and this is shaft with shaft system and bearing seat. So it is all-in-one YRT rotary ball bearings. Now let me introduce you our YRT rotary ball bearings. This model is our YRT 50. you can see the insect structure. For YRT rotary table bearings, it includes the one axial radial outer and one axial radial inner ring and one axial cover. And there are one full installation of radial cylindrical roller bearings. And there are two cylindrical rollers. Cylindrical rollers are arranged in axial direction and in the brass cage. For the cage, we have two materials. One is a brass cage. For this one, it is a brass cage, and also we have a nylon cage. This the blue and this brown color. Those are the nylon cage, and this one is a brass cage. For the nylon cage, it is a kind of plastic, and this is brass. Of course, the brass cage is much better than the nylon cage, and it depends on your requirement. For this is the ceilings. For the ceilings, it also have two kinds of materials. For the smaller one, it is an integral structure of the sail. If the model is a big one, then we have this kind of the sail too. You can cut it, or it has different size. This is a space block. Usually it has two colors. These are the cylindrical rollers. For our cross roller bearings, we use the cylindrical rollers. And some this model is our RB type of cross roller bearings. For RB type, the outer ring is separated in the axial direction. The inner ring is integral structure. You can see the cylindrical rollers are arranged in two 90-degree V-shaped raceways. It is separated one by one by the space block. Because this model is smaller, so the space block is also smaller. It has two colors. One is the blue and the red one is the space block, same as this. The cylindrical rollers separated one by one by the space block in the vertical arrangement. This is our RU type of cross roller bearings. For RU model, it has a mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, so it is easy to install and maintain. This is our RA series. For RA series, it is a compact cross-roller bearings obtained by reducing the thickness of RB's inner ring and outer ring. Similarly, the outer ring is divided into two parts, and the inner ring is integral structure. For this kind of bearings, it is widely used in the requirement that need the small space requirement and lightweight, because it is a slim bearing. This model is our CRBH series. This model is our CRBH series. For this bearing, the outer ring, and the inner ring are both integral structure. With this kind of structure, it has a much higher rigidity, so it is widely used with which has the in the robot system and the medical equipment, which require the higher rigidity and higher rotation speed. This model is our SX series. SX series, it is designed in accordance with the difficult ball bearings of 618 series. You see, there are 3 connecting holes in the circumference direction at the outer ring. 1, 2, 3. For this kind of bearings, it is widely used, which have a higher rotation accuracy of the inner ring. YRT rotary table bearings are axial and radial connected cylindrical roller bearings. It included one axial radial inner ring, one axial radial outer ring, and one axial cover. There are 2 cylindrical rollers arranged in the at axial direction, arranged in 2 brass or nylon cages, like here. And one full installation radial cylindrical rollers, one full installation here. Full installation, you can see from these bearings, there's no space block. So in the middle, the radial direction, it is a full installation in the radial cylindrical rollers. And there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring. With this kind of structure, the YRT rotary table bearings have many advantages, such as it can bear the axial load, radial load, and the overturning torque. And it can replace 2 or more normal bearings. The higher load capacity, it has higher load capacity and rigidity. It has higher load capacity and rigidity. The shaft system is more simple and the structure is better. The shaft system is more simple because you don't need the bearing seat to install it. It has mounting holes. and it's easier installation and cost saving for maintenance. Our YRT bearings are widely used in 5-axis and 6-axis machine center or machine tools, rotary table bearings, milling head, grinding machine, and the probing machine and precision measurement lab devices, etc. For the YRT rotary table bearings, we have this one is YRT 50. It is a smaller model, and we also have this model. It have YRT 100. This YRT table bearing is YRT 100. This one we install it with the nylon cage, and this one is YRT 200. The bigger one we also have YRT 250 and YRT 450 and YRT 580 and YRT 950 and YRT 1200. We can also make it according to your requirement. We offer the OEM and ODM service to offer the customized bearings for you. Hello everyone, this is Kelly from Loyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company Limited. Our company established in 2004 in Loyang City. Benefits from Loyang's unique bearing industrial foundation. We have forged a whole quality management system. And all our bearings are passed ISO and SGS certification. We have developed a very professional technical team and sales team. We can also offer the best after sales services. So if you have any questions about our bearings or our company, please don't hesitate to contact with us. After more than 18 years development, we are confident in this field. We can offer you with high precision, high rigidity, and heavy load capacity of different kinds of bearings. And we can also offer you with a very competitive price because we have a larger. Every time we prepare to produce the bearings, we purchase big quantity of folding, so the cost is lower, and we can also shorten the lead time for our customers. Our lead time usually takes about within 3 days for the models which are in stock. If the models don't have in stock, then it takes about 15 to 20 days. It also depends on the quantity. For the smaller model, for example, YRT 100, YRT 80, and YRT 150, and RU 42, RU 66, RU for almost all the RU series we have in stock. And for the RA model, RB series, and also the harmonic bearings, most of the models we have in stock. So if you want to test the quality, or you want to order from us directly, you don't need to worry about the delivery time. And this is our new YRT rotary table bearings. It has the shaft system and a bearing seat and the YRT rotary table bearings in integral structure. It is all-in-one YRT rotary table bearings. You can have a look of this bearings. This is our new bearings. And this model, it is our RU 148XUUCC0P5 bearings. P5, it is a kind of accuracy grade. We have P5, P4, and P2 for the crossover bearings. And for the YRTS rotary table bearings, it has a P4 and P2, 2 levels of the accuracy grade. And for the clearance, it depends on your requirement. It depends on your requirement. We can make it preloaded and also make it CCO or C1 or C0. It depends on your working condition and your requirements. Or it is double sealed. UU means double sealed. For RU148X, X means the outer ring is a countersink screw hole and the inner ring is the screw hole. So, if it is RU148G, then it is means both inner ring and outer ring are countersink screw hole. So the hole is different. If you want to order RU type or RU series bearings, you can tell us which kind of hole mounting holes you need. Okay, everyone, welcome to our live show. Hope you can check our website, and if you are interested in our products, you can send us an inquiry from Alibaba website, or you can leave a message here. If you're interested in products or our company, you can also leave your email address in our live show, or send us an inquiry directly by the Alibaba website. Thank you. It's time to say goodbye. Thanks for visiting us. Hope we can see you next time. Bye bye.萌瑶，我关了。
完了。这马上就去了，给我30秒。哎，这还没关，为什么点不动？